know it's BoxyCharm Wednesday. We've got to use a lot of BoxyCharm products. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by once again. So on this channel, on Wednesdays, we do a BoxyCharm Wednesday where I use products that came in past, future, or even present boxes. I said that wrong. It's supposed to be past, future, present. Wait, what? Past, present, future boxes. There we go. I got it right, y'all. Okay. If I happen to have those items that are in future boxes in my collection, and we do a full face, or as much as a full face as I want to do that day. So as you can see, my brows I already cleaned up underneath my brows, and I actually kind of cleaned up the top of my brows. All I did was use the foundation, y'all. But yeah, anyways, so we are going to be jumping into this primer here from Glam Glow. This is their super mattifying, clarifying primer. Okay, so we're going to use this on top of what I got going on here on my face. And here's the primer. We're going to pop this little sucker open like this. We're going to go ahead, I'm not even going to use that little spoon thing that comes with it. We are just going to keep this right here in my T-zone. And we're going to work this primer in. We're going to get straight started into priming his face because I want this primer to sit to really mattify this area right here. So next I want to try this cheek and lip duo thing from Wander Beauty, and I have, which I never mentioned it, but mine's is in the shade Double Date. And I'm actually going to use the lip balm. Like I said, you guys, this broke. I'm going to use the lip balm portion down here, or the clear one, as a lip balm today. Not sure how I'm liking it. I think it's starting to dry out, y'all, because it's broken. So I'm going to go in with this one here. Okay, that worked. Alright, so now that I got my primer on and my somewhat hydrated my lips, you guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into this Beaute palette. And it looks so pretty. So I'm going to first go into my bronzer here, and I'm going to use my bronzer as a transition shade. I want to go in with this yellow right here, this yellow shade. This yellow shade here is called Water Slide. Ooh, Water Slide. And I want to put this on the inner. Okay, that's showing up pretty good. The inner portion right here. And I'm just going to kind of pack on the color. So next, I want to go in with an orange, you guys. But I am like leaning towards this. This shade right here is just so pretty. And the shade here is called Vacation. So we're going to go in with this bright color here. So I'm going to I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to clean it off. I have a towel right here on my lap. And these are the this towel here along with 3 other towels. I only use it for makeup, so. Next I want to go in with this bright pink shade here. It's called Picnic. Do I want to go on a picnic? Ooh, raspberry's pretty too. Ooh, Carnival's pretty. Theme Park is pretty too. Do I want to do Theme Park? No, I want to go in. Yeah, I want to go in with Picnic. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. The next shade I want to go in with this purple shade here called Carnival. So I'm going to do something like I never do, you guys. I'm going to go in with a liquid liner and kind of like go over that. Y'all, if it messes up, it messes up. It's okay. It's okay. We just playing with makeup today. Oh man, it's messing up. It's dragging and tugging. So I just opened up this Ciate liner that came in BoxyCharm. Oh, that's okay. I'm getting a new liner here from BoxyCharm. This is the Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner. So we're going to go in with this one instead because Ciate's not working today. So I guess I'm using this. So it's two-sided. Which side is the one? I want this side here, the felt tip side. I think it's, yeah, it's felt tip. And I'm going to use this one instead. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into this palette and I'm going to go into this shade here, this darker brown shade. It's called Hiking. And I'm going to use that for my lower lash line down here. And kind of deepen it out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my base with foundation and concealer, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I have did my face and my base. And before I move any further, I'm going to go ahead and put on these lashes here. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. They're still the lashes that I really want to play with. So I'm going to have to clean up this space, you guys. And like really find the lashes I want to use. So now that I have that on, I'm going to let the lash glue finish drying. And I'm going to jump back into this Water Beauty thing and try this as a blush something. And I'm just going to use the side of my sponge here. I'm just going to... And I already set down my powder, you guys. Oh, that kind of adds like a glow to my cheek. Very pretty. And it's not disrupting the makeup underneath. And I already set my face down with powder, so that is very, very pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my Hourglass highlighter stick. And I'm just going to put that softly right there. Add that little bit of glow. And this works really, really nicely over powder. So now we're going to jump into these two lip liners here that I received in BoxyCharm. And I'm going to start off with this one here. This one here is Secret Admirer. And I'm going to start... Ooh, guess I'm not. I got to sharpen that one first. Not using that one today. So we're going to jump in with this one, Love Letter. And then I want to jump in with this Clarence Paris lip. What are you? Velvet Lip Perfector. In the shade number 1. This came in a BoxyCharm not too long ago. I really do like this shade of nude. Then I'm just going to take a clean brush and kind of blend out the edges of the shadow right here. So I'm just softening up the purple down here, my lower lash line. Just a little bit. And that's it. That's all I'm doing for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on this BoxyCharm Wednesday. I really do like how the whole eye look came out. It's completely different than what I normally do, but it's kind of cute at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and your bell notification is on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video and a new BoxyCharm Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty, and I will talk to you again later. Bye!